Hi guys! Recently, this cute GUGU GAGA penguin is going viral on social media platforms. She is so cute and loved by many people, including me. In this video, I will share an easy way to create such videos yourself. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Generate images. So firstly, we want to prepare images of the GUGU GAGA penguin. I am using HitPaw Photo P to show you how it works. I will also put the official link in the description. Click on AI Generator, then click on Image to Image. Next, we want to upload a reference image of the character. You can take a screenshot of the character from my video and write down the prompt in the box. What we want to do is simply write down the activity you want the character to do, such as eating or playing. Just use your imagination to customize it. In this case, I am telling it to make the character sitting on a sofa, 9:16 aspect ratio. Choose the latest Nano Banana 2 model and proceed to generate. When it is completed, we get a cute and cool image like this. Generate more images as you like. And then we will animate the images later. These are some images I created earlier. Step 2. Image to video. Secondly, we are using AI video generator tools like HitPaw VicPia to turn image into video. I am currently using HitPaw VicPia as an example. Click on AI video generator, then choose the AI video models you like. I would recommend using Kling or Veo 3 as they support audio generation as well. Next, import an image we created just now as the first frame. And again, enter the prompt you want the character to do, such as one hand delivers a chocolate cookie to the cute character. The character holds the cookie happily. You may also add prompt like the character says the iconic GUGU GAGA in the video. Keep on customizing the settings here. Choose 9:16 aspect ratio and turn on native audio button. Click on generate, and when it is completed, we have a cute video like this. Continue to create more videos using this method. And lastly, use video editing software like CapCut to put them together. And the GUGU GAGA video is ready. There are no certain prompt for this. The point is to use your imagination to make it stand out. What's more, if you want to apply specific effects to the penguin, there are multiple trending AI video templates in the AI Marvels app, such as making the character dance, or make the mini version of the character. Feel free to explore it yourself. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.